Theophoric names are names that incorporate the name of the Aloha in a scriptural context. For fulfilling the prophecy, the prophets incorporate their names to the name of the Father. Example, Isaiah's real name is Yashayahu, meaning Yahuwah is salvation. Matthew, real name is Matatyahu, meaning the gift is Yahuwah. Hosea's real name is Hosea, meaning the deliverer is Yahuwah. Daniel, the decision is Yahuwah. And Jesus' real name is Yahusha, Yahuwah is salvation. Prophecy fulfilled in Acts chapter 10 verse 43, all the prophets testify about him that everyone who believes in him receives forgiveness of sin through his name. To know his name means salvation. Sila!